My name is Brandon Peterson. I'm the Senior Vice President of Business Development at CoolIT. CoolIT Systems is the leading manufacturer of liquid cooling systems for data centers, including server OEMs, server ODMs, cloud service providers, co-location data centers, and anyone really using compute that wants to do their cooling system more efficiently. The big story this year as you walk around the trade show floor is AI and ML systems, which come with a lot of heat. So the latest GPUs come with a lot of heat. Our technology helps them to efficiently cool that. So we enable higher TDP processors, so higher heat processors, and we cool them more efficiently than traditional air cooling methods. And the scale, if anyone's used ChatGPT, and the scale of any sort of generative AI application is really pushing a lot of that hardware into data centers that need to cool that more efficiently. We work with those customers. We want to help them enable that next generation infrastructure. So we have a number of our products here today. We have the CoolIT's claim to fame is the complete end-to-end solution provider of liquid cooling technology. So we have coolant distribution units. We have the manifolds that connect those systems into racks. We have the cold plates that go right into the servers. Really all the infrastructure that customers need to run a liquid-cooled IT system. CoolIT is showing our Rack DLC CHX200 coolant distribution unit. This is a liquid-to-liquid coolant distribution unit. It does 200 kilowatts of cooling in 4U of height. It goes right in the rack with the IT equipment, rack-based CDU. We have a very similar product also on the booth, the CHX80. The particular one we have here is the one that we've partnered to provide with Dell, the LX80. So it's 80 kilowatts of cooling in 4U of height. So we have both products, both the same height, different capacities, and just depends on what the customer's need is. Do they need 80 kilowatts, 200 kilowatts? Our team also helps them size those systems and tell them which is the right product for them. The other one that we're really excited about is our CHX500. So this is a new product that we're launching to market. It's a modular rack-based CDU that can be stacked to up to 2 megawatts of cooling in a single rack. It fits in a standard IT rack. So it allows customers to achieve a density with coolant distribution units that the market hasn't seen yet. We're really excited about that. It's redundant, so you can put up to 4 units in a rack. Maybe you only need 3 of those to cool your IT system, and the other one's an extra unit if one of them has to come out of the rack for maintenance. And just the capacity and density of that unit is absolutely incredible. As we walk the trade show floor, we see a lot of row-based coolant distribution units. They're a big box coolant distribution unit. They take up a lot of space. Our team was challenged to put that into a smaller box, and that's what we effectively did. So the 10U height that unit takes up, very small compared to a row-based CDU. It has actually the same capacity as a lot of the units you see on the floor. We are also showing our rear door heat exchangers. So CoolIT has a rear door heat exchanger designed to integrate seamlessly with direct liquid cooling systems. They're very complementary technologies. Sometimes we'll deploy them on their own. Not every IT rack needs direct liquid cooling, and the rear door heat exchanger might be a great solution for some customers, some data centers, some racks. But we can also integrate it with direct liquid cooling, so capture the remaining heat that is not captured by the direct liquid cooling system, or even supplement and expand the range of cooling within that particular rack, capture more of that heat. And finally, we're showing a number of our passive cold plate loop products that we have designed with many of our server OEM partners. We, on the booth today, have a product that we've partnered with Dell, HPE, Gigabyte, and Supermicro on. CoolIT's passive cold plate loops are designed with no moving parts inside, so as opposed to an active cold plate loop that has pumps inside. We do all of our pumping centrally at the coolant distribution unit, which makes for a more robust, reliable data center grade product. So all of our products here would be passive, no moving parts, and we just have heat exchange services designed for each of the processors, the DIMMs, the VR, really any heat generating component in a server, we can cool. Some of our cold plate loops will just have CPU cooling, some of them will also cool the memory, and then we also have some fanless server designs, so complete liquid cooling, 100% of the heat captured into the liquid cooling system. For customers interested in CoolIT's products or services, you can go to our website at www.coolitsystems.com for more information.